So the next question is, what are the legal or ethical considerations that come into play with 3D printing? For example, how do copyright and patent laws affect what can be legally 3D printed? Well, I'm not sure if there's anything that can't be legally 3D printed except weapons. Guns was an issue a number of years ago, and we here could certainly 3D print guns, but having broken thousands of 3D printed parts in my life, I wouldn't be firing one. We have a kind of a no offensive weapons policy at Objects Unlimited, but the real issue with additive manufacturing is intellectual property violation. It's very easy to copy things, it's very easy to reverse engineer existing designs, it's very easy to print and sell copyrighted material. And that's something that we take very seriously here. You know, we work with some major toy companies and some major entertainment companies. Intellectual property, respect, safety, it is a paramount concern. We won't print something for someone as a copyrighted design. We won't reverse engineer products that we know are still on patent. It's something you do have to take quite seriously. Now there's a difference between producing something for sale and producing something for personal use or as an artistic project. So for example, we worked with an amazing artist to do a Darth Vader bust, very shiny, that she cast in various acrylics. No problem with that, because we're not really trying to trade off the Star Wars name.